everyone, it's me Anju and today we are going to learn that how to speak English. You know what guys, there is a many people who want to speak English but they don't have an idea that which kinds of rules you have to follow for spoken English, for make your spoken English better. So today I will tell you that if you want to increase your spoken English, so which kinds of formula you have to apply in your life. Okay, so you should watch this video because by this video you can make your spoken English better and you can know that how to learn English and which kinds of formula we have to apply in our life for spoken English. So let's have a look. Okay, so guys, if you want to speak English, so first of all, if you do any kinds of coaching, so if you have any formats and words game and vocabulary and phrases, so you have to first of all you have to practice on that things. Okay, and you have to watch the English movies. You have to watch the English movies with subtitle and you have to try to understand that what trying to say these movies. Okay, and after that you have to watch the English movies without subtitle and try to understand that what trying to say these movies. And because when you see the English movies, so you find the new types of words, vocabulary, which is very useful for spoken English. Okay, and every day you have to read a newspaper, a English newspaper, because there is a many people who read newspaper, English newspaper, but they don't understand her matter, that matter, that what trying to say this line. So you have to read English newspaper and because by the English newspaper you can find the new types of vocabulary which is very useful for spoken English and it will make your spoken English better. So you should read a newspaper, English newspaper every day. And if you want to speak English, so you have to morning to evening you have to speak at least 10 to 15 words in English. Okay, you should speak English, you try to speak in English, every kinds of things you have to speak in English. When you in your home, when you situated in your home, so you have to say that when you want to order something, when you want to eat something and when you feel so hungry, so you say that like that, मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है, प्लीज़ मुझे खाना जल्दी बनाओ, इस तरह से हम कहते हैं. सो डोंट से लाइक दैट. ओके, इफ़ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज योर स्पोकन इंग्लिश, सो डोंट से लाइक दैट, यू हैव टू से दैट आई एम गेटिंग सो हंग्री, प्लीज कुक द फूड फास्ट. ओके, and when you go anywhere for like that restaurants and any shopping malls, so any railway station, so you have to observe all the things and you should observe all the things and you should try to explain in English. You have to observe all the thing and you have to say in English that how to say this types of sentence, how to say this words, how to say like that. Okay, and you have to, when you go any restaurants and you order something, if you want to eat something, so you say that please coffee दे दीजिए. So don't say like that, it's a doesn't matter. Okay, if you want to speak in English, so you have to full speak in English, you have to speak English. Okay, just like when you order something, so you have to say that please could you please can I have a coffee please. Okay, and when you go anywhere and you unknown by this you are unknown by that ways and you don't have idea about that place, so you ask if you ask anyone that where to lead this road, so you ask in English like that, मुझे नहीं पता कि ये रोड कहाँ जाती है, तो आप क्या बता सकते हैं ये रोड कहाँ जाती है. सो डोंट स्पीक लाइक दैट. ओके, यू हैव टू से दैट excuse me, could you please tell me that I don't have an idea that where to lead this road, so please could you please tell me that where to lead this road. So like that you have to ask. Okay, and you know what, there is a one way to leave any kinds of things, but there is a many way to learn any kinds of things. So you have to choose that you have to leave any kinds of things or you have to learn any kinds of things. So I hope you will choose that you have to learn any kinds of things, you have to learn something new. So if you want to speak English, so you should follow all things, okay, which I say in this video. So you have to watch and you have to follow these types of rules, and you have to apply in your daily routines. So I hope one day it will make your spoken English better. And if you want to speak in English, so you have to watch this video, you should watch this video. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you will get the lots of things by this video. So we will meet our next video. Till then,